Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have m plus 2 times of mn plus n equals to 8, and we solve this problem for the values of m plus n. So here we just find the value of m plus n, and the very first step we are going to do is here first we multiply the given equation on both of the sides by 2, and it will be written as 2 times of m plus 2mn plus n equals to 2 times of 8. And here we multiply this 2 on each of these terms, and it will be written as 2m plus 4 times of m into n plus 2n equals to 2 8s are 16. And after this step, here we need to add plus 1 on both of the sides. So we just here write that adding 1 on both of the sides of the above equation. So when we add 1 on both of the sides, it will be written as 2m plus 4 times of mn plus 2n plus 1 is equals to 16 plus 1. And after that, here we focus on these two terms and these two terms, and you see here we have 2m be the common term on these, and here we get 1 plus here we take common 2, so the remaining terms are 2, and here you get n. And here we take common plus 1, and we just obtain here 1 plus 2n, and it is equals to 16 plus 1 becomes 17. And after that, you see here we have 1 plus 2n be the common term, so we take common here 1 plus 2n, and the remaining terms are 1 plus 2m, and this whole equals to 17. So here you focus on the left hand side, and you see here we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So that now first we make the two factors in the right hand side. So we write this the factors of 17, and we know that 17 times of 1 is equals to 17, and the other factors are minus 17 times of minus 1 is also equals to plus 17. So here we have two possibilities in which we get the number 17, so that here we have two cases. Now we compare these two factors on these two cases. So here first we have our case number 1. So our case number 1 is we compare 1 plus 2n on this value, and it will be written as 1 plus 2n equals to 17, and 1 plus 2m equals to plus 1. So this is our case number 1, and here we also create our case number 2. So in second case we compare these two factors on these two numbers, and it will be written as 1 plus 2n equals to minus 17, and 1 plus 2m equals to minus 1. So here first we focus on case number 1. So from case 1 we have, so here we just move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will be written as 2n equals to 17 minus 1, and here we focus on this and we move plus 1 to the right hand side, and you get here 2m equals to 1 minus 1. So from case number 1 we have 2n equals to 17 minus 1 is 16, and we move this 2 to the right hand side, and it will be written as 16 over 2, so that here we get the value of n equals to 8. So here we get the value of n from first case, and here we get the value of m. So here we have 2m equals to 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and here we get m equals to 0 over 2, And here we know that some 0 over something is equals to 0. So in the first case we get the value of m is equals to 0. So here in this question, because we need to find the value of m plus n, so that we just add these two values, and it is 0 plus n. The value of n is 8, so we have 0 plus 8, so we get the value of m plus n is equals to 8 in the first case. Similarly, we will focus on case number 2. So here we have from case number 2. So in second case, you see here, this is our case number 2. 1 plus 2n equals to minus 17 and 1 plus 2m equals to minus 1. So here we move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will be written as 1 plus so here we have 1 plus 2n equals to minus 17 and 1 plus 2m equals to minus 1. So this is our second case which we can write here, and now we just need to simplify this case, and if we get the values of m and n here. So first we move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and we get 2n equals to minus 17 minus 1, and here we have 2n equals to minus 18, and we move this 2 to the right hand side, and we get n equals to minus 18 over 2. So we get this 2 9s are 18, and we get the value of n equals to minus 9. So similarly, we need to focus on this case, and here we get the value of m, so that here we move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will be written as 2m equals to minus 1 minus 1, and we have 2m equals to minus 2. So now we move this 2 to the right hand side, and it will be written as minus 2 over 2. So this 2 and cancelled out by this 2, and here we get 1, so that you have the value of m equals to minus 1. So in the second case, we get the values of m is minus 1 and n is minus 9. So because we need to find the value of m plus n, so you have the value of m plus n is equals to, we just add these two values, and we have minus 1 minus 9. So when we add minus 1 minus 9, it will be written as minus 10. So this is the value of m plus n in the second case, and in the first case we have the value of m plus n is equals to 8. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.